Hi guys, so today I want to share with you a gift, or let me say, let us unbox this gift. Okay, so it is one of the subscribers, guys. I normally share my number. As you can see on this box, there is my number. So someone sent me this gift. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, I'm just back from town, and I was really curious when I got a message about this gift. So when I got the message, I was like, these are normal SMS that normally come in box, or maybe conman or something. And then I said, okay, let me just give it a try. So guys, I'm back from town, and actually it was not a scam, and here is my gift. So let us unbox this. Son père était consolé, descend sur la baie des Bicherons. Mais matin, le directeur de l'école se présenta devant les élèves, leur disant, bientôt c'est l'examen, vous pouvez y réussir sans les annales, mais pour avoir une idée, voici les épreuves et les concours des générations précédentes. Ta-da! Wow, guys, as you can see, it's already open. As you can see, we have sugar here. We have sugar, and that is what you can see on the top. This is just amazing, guys. So hey, oh my, I'm super happy. That's 1 kg, that's 2, and that's 3. So guys, I have 3 kgs, and that is rice, guys. This is rice, and it is 1 kg. When it is packed, it is called sunrise or basmati rice, and that is 1, that is 2, and finally, oh my god, last but not least, that's 3, and that's 4. So 4 kgs of rice, and as you can see, that is cooking oil. This is so amazing, guys. And we have maize flour, so that is 1, and that is 2. So guys, these are the gifts that I've just found, and this is super good. I really appreciate so much. So I don't know what to say, guys. I'm just feeling like crying, it is something that I was not expecting anyway, but now at least I have something that will push me until I have another one. Though recently I uploaded a video how I normally shop in a month, so this one will boost me. The next month I will not lack like anything. This is just amazing, guys. So thank you so much, you, the person that you sent me this gift. I really appreciate you so much, and may you never lack. May you never lack. May God Almighty bless you for me. So thank you for watching. Bye.